Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Now, I went out and I bought a couple things. Now, this is another clothing video. You guys seem to like the last one and I actually really enjoyed making it. So we're gonna do another one. Now, this one is a little bit different. However, we're kind of sticking to the same trend. So stick around, enjoy the video, but let's get into it. All right, so we've got two packages here. This is a little bit more limited because of, well, what's inside. So I'm sure I'd probably put it in the thumbnail, but today we're gonna be looking at some of the Fear of God essentials. I managed to get this on a restock. Just for anybody who's interested in where I got this from, Mr. Porter is the place, and they restock a lot of the Fear of God essentials fairly often. Let's get into some of this. So, a box with your invoice and return label, stuff like that. You get some nice premium tissue paper, which is always a good thing. And here is the first item. So I've never seen so much paper for a clothing piece. Now this is the gray t-shirt. Now, ideally I wanted to get a size medium because I know that this fits generally quite oversized. It comes in a little Ziploc bag, and here is the t-shirt. A little bit of a darker gray than I originally thought. And there you go. That is pretty damn massive. Sometimes I get a size large for t-shirts. However, this looks to be extra huge. Of course, we're gonna try all of this on, but essentially with this piece, I think this was 45 pounds. So pretty reasonable, and it doesn't feel as thick as I would have imagined. Like, you know, in my last video, we tried out the Pharrell essentials. This is significantly thinner material, which in my opinion, I like the heavyweight stuff. I just feel like that's associated with more quality. Got your Fear of God essentials tag just over here, and of course you have a bunch of branding on the actual t-shirt, like essentials written across the chest. You've got some, feels like a really nice essentials Fear of God in this kind of rubber print on the tag there, and on the reverse just behind your neck you get another essentials logo just over there. So definitely no lack of logoing on this, but that is the first piece. We're gonna be able to try it on and see what a large fits like. I have a feeling that is going to be a little bit too big. I couldn't get as much as I wanted because, again, all of this is sold out most places. So you're pretty much relying on either the aftermarket to pay resale or restocks if they happen to come through, which are few and far between. So I only managed to get a couple items. Now this is what I'm talking about. We have a jumper. So this is the crew neck sweater. Now this feels substantially better. What size did I get this in? Okay, this is a medium, so this will definitely fit. That looks huge for a size medium. Like, wow, that is super big. Like, look, that probably takes up like the whole screen. Very minimal, very simple, which again, if you watch my last video, that is what I look for. That is what I like. So, in terms of branding on this, you get some down by the sleeve, essentials, Fear of God. You get some, of course, in the same place on the tag, the reverse at the back of the neck. Again, we're gonna try it on. This one was a little bit more expensive at 80 pounds for the crew neck, which again, if the quality is all right, it's reasonable. However, I don't know, it's not the best feeling material that I've ever felt. It feels average, it feels okay. You know, I'm not really complaining. I just feel like, you know, considering who Fear of God is, you would kind of expect very premium material. Right, last piece, we got another t-shirt here, and did I get another large? This looks a little bit different to the other one. Like, the sleeves don't seem as long. Again, it's pretty big. Again, these are supposed to be oversized fit. You've got this rubber texturized logo on the front saying essentials. That is a nice touch. I do like that. Again, this is extremely thin material, like extremely thin. To be honest, considering this is a 45-pound t-shirt, I'm not impressed whatsoever. This feels, it feels pretty damn cheap, if I'm honest. Right, this is the gray t-shirt. Very, very basic. When they say essentials, they mean essentials. Okay, this is a little bit big. Now, it's not unwearable. I don't think, like, I could probably wear this, but it's a little bit bigger than I would want. The sleeves are nice length. I like baggy stuff, so I like the sleeves being a little bit longer. However, the neck area is a little bit large. Like, you know, obviously, if you go too far up in a size, you can really tell, like, the neck area. If it's kind of just hanging off you like this, then yeah, you've gone too big. As a large is too big, so I would definitely recommend going true to size if you are going to get any of this. I feel like a medium would fit me perfectly. It's just a little bit too big. It's a little bit of a disappointment. It's a little bit underwhelming feeling the material. I've definitely bought better material stuff before that has been cheaper. It's just kind of the brand association, I believe. It just feels very, very basic. Right, so this is the black t-shirt. I mean, it's exactly the same as the gray one. So in terms of fit, again, I wouldn't say it's the best fit. I would definitely go with your true to size, or maybe even a size down. But again, that's kind of your preference. I would say true to size if you want kind of a baggy fit, oversized look, which I think is intended with this clothing line. However, maybe a size down if you want a more, I guess, regular fit. This is definitely wearable, a size up for me. But if I had a choice, I might decide to go a size down. All right, now we are talking. Again, you know what I'm figuring out is like that I would probably, to get anything out of this line, would go for a hoodie or one of these kind of sweaters. I think this is why you would go for this line. I wouldn't even bother with the t-shirts. I'm not a fan. The material is just too thin. But something like this is it's just a little bit nicer. It feels a little bit more like you're getting your money's worth, even though this is 80 bucks. And I have felt thicker material before. I don't think it's actually that bad. This is something I probably would spend that extra money on. Now, in terms of branding, it's even more minimal than the t-shirts. This literally is plain except for down on the sleeve. As you can see there, it says Fear of God Essentials. A nice little print, nothing too fancy. This is a size medium, so it's, again, this is the intended fit, extra baggy, more baggage around the arms. Definitely a very oversized look, which I like. I actually think it's pretty decent length. This is probably about right. It only just comes over my waistline, so that, you know, obviously you get a little bit of baggage around here. So this is something I probably would recommend. I think it looks pretty decent. However, the price, I mean, when you get it in hand, you may be a little bit disappointed with the materials. So out of all of these, or out of these three, I would definitely say save your money. Don't bother with the t-shirts. You can get much better thin ass material t-shirt. Like, you can almost, like, I can see through this. I mean, I don't know if you can. If I put it there, maybe you could see through it. I don't know. Thank you guys so much for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I will catch all of you in the next one. But until then.